a crispy fried chicken. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Pherl TV. For today's video, I will share you a few tips on how I make my fried chicken crispy and delicious, okay? So, if you will look at this guys, from here, I marinated my chicken. This is the marinating sauce. I marinate my chicken for almost 3 to 4 days inside this container with soy sauce and garlic, okay? My marinating sauce is only soy sauce and garlic, okay? And then in frying, in order for the chicken to make it crispy, I prepared this one egg. I beat the egg, one egg, okay? Then after I beat the egg, I drop the chicken here, piece of chicken, and afterwards I drop it into the flour with crispy fry, okay? And then after that, we put it into the frying pan with just a low fire, okay? The secret of a delicious chicken, guys, is frying the chicken with a very low fire only for the first time, like that, okay? So see, I will show you later the end product, okay? So abangan nyo guys, ha. Kita ko nyo maya. See guys, the other face of the chicken. So, ayan guys, luto ng ating fried chicken, okay? Kung makikita nyo mukha siyang dark, it's because guys, minarinate ko siya sa soy sauce with garlic for 3 days or 4 days, I think. Ayun, minarinate ko siya doon. So, ayun, we will be having our lunch and let's see kung magugustuhan ng bulilit ko to, okay? So, she will be doing the mukbang. Let's see if the bulilit will love to eat this. Guys, nakita nyo naman, no? So crispy. Ching! Pinakamakatis. Narinig nyo, di ba? So crispy. Okay, let's eat. Pakainin na natin ang ating mga bulilit. Ang ating bulilit pa lang. Pamukbangin na natin. Kasi favorite niya to, hindi na siya magra-rice eh. Okay?
Hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our channel. Welcome Pherl TV. In today's vlog, I want to share you magkakain akong fried chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fried chicken. And let's eat guys. And this is my favorite fried chicken. Nag-computer ako guys. Sobrang laki.
Sarap ba? How many fried chicken do you think that you can eat today?
1, 2.
Hindi. Sa tingin mo, ilan ang mauubos mo?
Ang maubos ko, 1.
How many fried chicken do we have right now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Kaya mong kainin ang isa? Dalawa. Dalawa kaya mo? It's a big chicken. I slice it bigger compared to the regular size. So, I will get back to you when you're done eating. Okay? Let's see. And we will check later if how many fried chicken have you eaten. Okay? I will take a bath and I will check later if you're done eating. And we will check if you're done eating 2 fried chicken. I think. Can you consume 2 fried chicken later?
And guys, kakain na ako ito. Nakadalawa na ako. Nibus ko.
Pandalawa na yan.
Pagdalawa na. Itong walang bone.
Asa na yung natapos mong isa? This one. Tapos na ni ate siya. Yung isa buna.
Ito walang bone. Ito guys, kasi itong bread, tingin nyo na tama. Kasi malambot lang siya para bread.
Parang bread siya. Kasi puro siya filet, di ba?
Guys, kumain ako Pagod na ako
Hindi
kumain.
ka na kaya mag-hot too. Tapos, si Badman ang kumain ng sobra-sobra, di ba? Badman yun, puputok yung tummy, guys. Ano? At kumain ka ng chocolate kanina, di ba?
At guys, meron akong malamig na water.
Sabihin mo mag-order kay nanay ng container, mga ganyan.
Container.
May tinda kami sa Pherl Tupperware store. Mga container for kids, guys. If you love to order, we have container for kids. Just visit our page, Pherl Tupperware store.
And guys, mag-thank you watching na ako guys. Tapos may bili kayo itong Holy Kitty na magandang Holy Kitty. May eyes, nose, walang mata, at bibig. Tapos at guys, thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Click the bell button, subscribe na, and please like and comment, subscribe. Bye bye.
Ano busog? Dali.